Let's face it, we all know somebody that's not that good with ladders.
You say, oh God!
But overhead space is the best place to store lots of things that you just want to get up and out of the way. I bring you FLEXIMOUNTS, and this is their overhead garage lifting rack. That's how it works nice. So this one's actually a template that we put on the ceiling with tape, and it actually marks the exact locations for all the hardware and anchor points. FLEXIMOUNTS is a US company dedicated to providing effortless storage and organizing solutions for the garage and home. Their products are highly rated on Amazon, with their classic garage racks being best sellers, trusted by many for their quality and innovation. So this works with joist spacings of 12, 16, or even 24 inches. So this removes the need for ladders to get things up and down out of the way. So this system can lift up to 300 pounds. This rack can easily be raised or lowered with a hand crank, or you can even use your power drill. So one revolution does go up incrementally kind of slow, but that's actually nice because the gearing means you can put really heavy things on. All right, we are going to put FLEXIMOUNTS to the test. We're gonna see if it can lift this large container of water. So right now it's empty, so it's very easy to move. So we're gonna put it in place, start filling up with water. If this is all the way full, it's over 400 pounds. We're gonna maybe have it like 3/4 full. So on the side, it actually has kind of the gallons. So we're gonna go right around 40 gallons. That should be close to the 300 pounds. So we put it on the rack. We are going to fill it up with some water and raise it up. Oh, you probably can't see, but we are filling up. Hose doesn't want to stay in, but we're filling this up. Want to get it to close to 3/4 full. So now we're ready to go. So we've got the water in there. We'll go ahead and raise it up. All right, it did it. Drill kind of was struggling more than if there's nothing on there, but yeah, that works really well. Bringing it down, I'm sure will go a lot faster. So if you're looking for a neat, tidy garage or some places to store some extra things, I'll leave a link in the video description below.